Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start now by opening the Google Sheet you will use. You already added email and contact columns. Next, compose a Gmail draft and insert placeholders that match your column headers, for example, first name. Once done, install and authorize Yamm to access the sheet in Gmail. This allows sending. Then click Add-ons, yet another mail merge, start mail merge, choose your draft, and preview one record to confirm the placeholders populate correctly before proceeding. With the draft selected, pick your sender name and reply to address in Yamm. This ensures replies route correctly. Then set tracking options to monitor opens and clicks, and choose schedule if you need a timed campaign. If attachments are required, add them now and use the filter dropdown to target specific rows or segments. Make sure to send a small test of 1 to 5 messages to your own inbox. This catches formatting issues and broken links before the full send. Click Send Emails to start the merge and watch the Yamm sidebar for progress and status per row. Once sent, open the Yamm report to review opens, clicks, bounces, and unsubscribes. Use that data to update your Google Sheet so you can resend or follow up. If something goes wrong, check authorization prompts and ensure column headers exactly match your placeholders. Mismatched tags produce blank fields. Then select only the affected rows and resend after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.